Lord, if you want me to have it, I'm going to have it. You helped me figure out how to do this cloth diapering thing. And in September, we found out that we were one of the families that won. I know. That's crazy. And I am so grateful. God is good. God is so good. All right, so you know why you're doing it. You figured out what kind of cloth diapering you want to get into. Now you want to figure out how you're going to get those cloth diapers. Because yes, they sell them. You can buy them new, but that is just one of many options. And I'm a girly who loves options. You have options like buying them pre-loved, gently used, secondhand, whatever phrase you like. Facebook Marketplace has plenty of people selling cloth diapers of all kinds of brands. But the brand that I went with, which is called Esembly, also has their own marketplace on their website for people who are trying to resell diapers. Now, people might resell diapers for lots of reasons. So before you're like, ew, I don't want anybody's old poopy diapers, somebody might have tried it and decided, I don't like it very much. And so they've used it once or not at all, and they're ready to sell them back. That's an option. Somebody might have been like, that's it for me. I'm not having any more kids. So these diapers are out here for anybody who would like. The laundering process, the directions they give you for washing them are pretty legit. I'm talking about like super hot, heavy duty washes. Washes, I said plural, washes. So you might be getting a diaper. Like if you're okay with it, it's an option. That's an option, boo-boo. And then I think my favorite option was put it on your registry and let somebody else buy it for you. Come on. When people are like, hey, how can I help? Can I get you a box of diapers? I would just be honest with people and I would say, we're actually cloth diapering. So if you want to get us an outer or a pack of inners, and all of these outers and inners and cloth diapering vocabulary will make sense. I'll be putting up more videos about the whole thing, the whole system. When I say thing, I mean system. Yeah, you can put parts of the diapers on your registry, allow people to like slowly build up your collection for you. We had people reach out to us personally. They wanted to bypass the whole gift registry. They wanted to bypass the whole registry thing. And so I just sent them the link directly. Buy me some outers, please. And yeah, we got a couple of outers and a try-it kit through the registry. And we bought some ourselves. Did we buy some ourselves? I don't know that I actually bought them myself. And then the other option, which y'all, I didn't know this was a thing until it became a thing. There are diaper scholarships, cloth diaper scholarships. So I am not above a good scholarship. I don't mind telling people the reason why I'm motivated to do things. And a lot of times that's what scholarships are. Yes, so the brand that I chose, even before I knew they had scholarships, I was interested in them. I was getting educated about diapers through their like 101 cloth diapering class. And through their newsletter, I found out that they had a diaper scholarship. And I applied and I prayed and I said, Lord, if you want me to have it, I'm going to have it. You help me figure out how to do this cloth diapering thing because I would really like to take good care of the baby that you've given me to steward, Jesus. And yeah, I applied in like July, August. And in September, we found out that we were one of the families that won. I know. That's crazy. And I am so grateful. So I remember the email said that like more than 500 applications were submitted and we were one of 10 families selected. And I can't even take credit to be like I'm the best writer in the world, but God is good. God is so good. And so through the diaper scholarship, we got inners, outers, the detergent, the disposable bits that can help you get rid of solids, all the stuff, the whole system. And the way the scholarship works, they provide everything that you need to diaper your child until they are completely potty trained. And so, what a blessing. So a scholarship is an option. You can buy it new, you can buy it used, you can put it on your registry, you can get a scholarship. Those are all options for you. So if you're worried that like, oh no, cloth diaper is going to be really expensive, you've got options. If you're thinking about getting started with cloth diapers, I've given you some things to think about. But I want to share a couple of little pieces of advice with you that I found to be really important in getting started. Go easy on yourself. You don't have to know how this whole thing goes. Yes, my mama and my grandmother used cloth diapers, but they had a very different thing going. They had the little nappies, is what one of my friends from St. Lucia called them, where you literally like fold the thing over and you use a safety pin. And cloth diapers have come very far since then. My cloth diapers are awesome. They have snaps that are adjustable so it can grow with the baby. There's no pins to stick anybody. So go easy on yourself. You're learning a new thing. You're learning a new system. You're also cloth diapering in a society that is unlike the society that your mother and your grandmother were born into. So it's just going to be different. So you gotta be nice to yourself. You gotta be nice to yourself. The other piece of advice that I would like to give you is, this is more like a statement than advice. Poop is very triggering. Like, I don't know what that means to you. It's going to mean something to somebody, but poop can be very triggering. Seeing it, smelling it, the thought that you might have touched it. And for some people that might really mess with you, you might want to reflect on that and figure out how you're going to handle poop when it comes, because poop is coming. And that's a stomach for somebody. I don't even think we're talking just about baby poop anymore, but in life, poop is coming. What you going to do when it comes? But yeah, I think watching my husband interact with diapering period as a person who didn't really grow up with a lot of like younger siblings or little cousins around, how do you change the diaper? I don't think he'd changed the diaper before our baby. I gotta double check on that. But the poop was very triggering for him. We had very different experiences with it. So understanding that everybody's not like me, the poop may be triggering for you. Take some time to reflect on that and deal with it before it comes. Get yourself some positive self-talk around the poop. Get yourself some strategies. It's coming. You might touch it. It might get on you. And you can always wash your hands after you're done. That's the crazy thing. You can always just wash your hands. But when you're alone with the baby, sometimes it might feel hard to wash your hands. Put that baby down and wash your hands. I had to tell myself that many times. Put the baby down and wash your hands. Because you don't want to be touching the baby with poopy hands. You don't want to be touching yourself with poopy hands. Anyway, poop is triggering. So that's another thing to consider as you get started in your cloth diaper journey. Last thing, for those of you who are going to be going through those postpartum transitions, and that's for the birthing person and the non-birthing person. For both parents, postpartum transitions are a big deal. There are a lot. There's feelings, there's changes, there's like your mindset, there's hormones, there's all manner of thing. For your postpartum transition, if you're going to integrate cloth diapering, you don't necessarily have to again, that all or nothing. You don't have to start cloth diapering from birth. Give yourself a couple weeks, give yourself a couple months, and then try cloth diapering maybe after you feel like you've gotten yourself settled. It might feel a little bit easier to start cloth. And that was something that I was very intentional about getting started. I was like, you know what? We're not going to start right away because I didn't even know that I was going to have a C-section. But I just figured recovery time, getting used to a small human crying and being in my space and all the feelings and the stimulation. Let me give myself a couple of months, and then at 3 months, I will start cloth diapering. And at 3 months, I won the scholarship, and I did. And it's been real cool. So I'm going to be releasing a video about the first month of cloth diapering, the things I learned, the thoughts I was thinking. Anyway, I will give you my impressions of my first month of cloth diapering. I will also be doing a video where I review the whole system, the Esembly cloth diapering system, so you can get a look at it and somebody to explain or just show you the different parts and why it's very doable. I'm excited to share this cloth diapering journey with you. I really hope to continue cloth diapering for a long time to come. I think it's been really good for our family. Anyway, I'm Cassie Rochelle, your homegirl, first-time mom at 40 with fibroids, navigating parenthood at what I feel like it's my best time.